One of the things that we need to understand very clearly is that the tax code is not sort of one thing. When I was first starting as a practitioner, I used to have this vision of the tax code kind of being all one thing, sort of like a group of encyclopedias or something like that would just sort of line the walls of a tax practitioner's office. And I sort of got that from the fact that, every now and again you'll hear statistics about how many pages the Internal Revenue Code is and all of the authority that goes into making our tax code and how many pages it would be and how many volumes it would fill and how many rooms it would fill and all this other stuff. That's not really reality. Reality is that our tax code comes from a lot of different sources, and it's a hierarchical system that we use. At the top of the heap is the Internal Revenue Code. So if it is a situation where maybe a piece of administrative authority, such as a Treasury regulation, and the Internal Revenue Code conflict, we follow the Internal Revenue Code. In other words, the Internal Revenue Code has more weight. The interpretations sit right below the Internal Revenue Code, and there's two different types of interpretations that are out there. There's judicial interpretations and there's administrative interpretations.